Hi, welcome back to Art by Brooke. For today's video, I am once again trying out GenCrafts acrylic pouring sets. If you'd like to see my first video, which is my kind of more review video, click in the description or in the iCards. I'm using their metallic pouring set and kind of their original 24 paint set. I'm going to be using titanium white, which is metallic, black, which is not metallic, green pearl, and copper gold, which are also metallic. So I'm going to start by putting black around the edges because I want this to be a darker pour and I don't want the corners to show as white. I usually would use a black gesso for something like this, but since I'm still kind of trying out the paint and reviewing it, I wanted to give it a good go by itself. This is a 10 by 10 inch canvas. And you can see there's a spot here when I had the plastic on still. I used this to catch my recent colander paint pour, and there was a little tiny hole in the plastic, so some paint went through, but I did a white gesso to cover that up. Otherwise it would leave kind of a shiny spot on the canvas. So the paint actually was really nice for covering the edges. I like that. It wasn't super hard to spread it thin and kind of get good coverage on the sides. I'm kind of going to see if I can simulate a cloud pour, so I'm going to pour from high up to try to get cells. I think especially since all of these are metallic, it's quite possible to get cells. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty that looks. Okay, let's go ahead and pour. Look at this gorgeous cup. I hope it looks at least half of what this looks like in here on the canvas. Wow. Okay, real quick before it falls off the edge, I'm going to torch it. Okay, let's go. Oh wow, this is so pretty. I'm going to go ahead and take my gloves off and try torching this. This is so pretty. I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes and see if it changes, and then we'll come back and take a look at it. Alright, it has been about 10 minutes, and this is going to be a little tricky because black is always hard to film when there's light on it, so there's going to be a lot of glare. Plus my camera kind of auto adjusts so that you see everything, so some of the colors may be a little bit brighter than they are in real life. But let's try it anyway, because this is looking really neat. Okay, whoop, sorry, it's like way blown out. I don't know how to fix that. So I know I say this a lot, but this definitely has space vibes. Okay, come on, focus. I love this. Oh my gosh, look at this middle. This is so pretty. And it's looking more blue on the camera, but it's definitely like a greenish blue. And then this kind of got some cloud cells a little bit. And then just a whole bunch of cells down here. And this looks blown out on the camera, but it's actually kind of the coppery and silvery. And you can see a little bit more of the copper down in there. If it'll focus, there we go. And then some rings in here that are mostly covered by black. And just some more cells up through here. Wow, this is so pretty. Seriously, I love these metallics. I really, really like them. I haven't tried them with any other types of paint, so I'm not sure if they mix well with other paints that have been mixed with other pouring mediums, but that might have to be a test that I do as well. I love these colors. Unfortunately, this did use most of my paints that I used, so they're almost gone now, but I think it was worth it for this painting. Very, very pretty. I can't wait to see how it dries, and if you're interested in seeing that as well, be sure to follow me on Instagram where I post videos and photos that are kind of like behind the scenes. I also post my dry paintings there as well. You can find the link for that down in the description, as well as the links for the GenCrafts paint sets if you're interested in checking them out. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell so you get a notification every time I post a new video. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also comment down below, what do you think about this painting? Have you tried these paints before? Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.